Good morning guys, welcome to a new vlog. It's Saturday. I'm vlogging today because of two things. I am testing this mic. I bought this at LAZADA for 86 pesos. And if you want to buy this one and you're interested, I'm just gonna put the link down below so that you can check those out. The second thing is that we are heading to Busay to meet with Bona at Evo. At Evo. It's fairly new place in Busay that has a great view for drinking and stuff, coffee. But first we are going to drop by a water filling station to buy some water for our house. By the way guys, I'm with Angie. To buy a couple of gallons of water for the house cause we ran out. So yeah, I'll just see you guys there and enjoy this B-roll. So we just got here at Evo Nature Camp. We just parked and we are now waiting for Bona to arrive here. And also guys, this is the receiving area. And I like also the sign there, which is nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Char! It's home! Diba lang? Guys, kilay is life. Kilay po. Ay pilok. Oh. Eh baka matabi. Ah. Okay, we're ready. I'm just gonna finish my coffee now. Before we head out. So. Okay, mask up. And let's go. Oh. There's the view, guys. Guys, the entrance fee here is 75 and they also have zip line and other rides. So guys, Bona is here. Evo Nature Camp also offers trekking, which includes going through a cave. So let's start the tour. Man. Look. Uy, lost leg kag naog ban. Wow, hindi pa gid. Guys, look at this sitting area. And this is the overview of the place. Saka sa madara.
Lighting di.
Nindot ba yung lighting dito?
Ako pasabot ka dito, kaagi dito saka dito.
Saka dito. Bata ni. Guys, Evo is also an adventure park. They have climbing ropes here, there, and then there's a climbing pole with a rope, and then here's the glamping area, I think. There's also a picture frame where you can take photos. There's the camping area, and you can also bring your own tent, and you just have to pay the 300 per pax.
Pero wala akong nag-pay.
40
Kuhan ko. Tawagan na.
exposed. Kuan na sa illegal. You can bring and sa
You can bring your own lip tint.
ano gud sila kabantay ni Buna.
Wait ba? Namayad mo kay tungod.
Nibayad mo because
Huwag yun yun, boy. Nibayad mo kay tungod. Ano lang view?
entrance. So, as I've said earlier, you can bring your own tent, and you only need to pay 300 per pax. If you don't have a tent, you can rent 300 good for 2, and 600 good for 3 to 4 packs, I think. And then there's also 6 packs. So yeah, this is your view. Here, there's the mountain and the sunset.
Boy, picture me, boy.
Wandot lagi dira.
Anak ka diri, day. Diri ka ba? Diri ka.
Kahaya ka muro mag
Buti agud. Mag-glow akong skin. Naka, ano na? Kana. Tuo lang yun. Ato tanaw ni Biboy.
Smile, smile. This quote is also nice. Be part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Uy, nakakadang! Talpak!
Ayaw nga na.
May talpak diri lang ay.
Pag nagito ko kayo. Ano na din, nindot kayo. Basta lagi ka pa.
Dugaya dyan mo magkasinabot no?
Kaya nga no, basta ang kinakita ko kay Kuya. Tawa ko, dyan kay Kuya.
Tabon eh. Ato malikod sa lamisa. Okay, photographer of the year. Lala, trade drop. 1, 2, 3.
Akong tiyan, akong bukton, tanan. Kaya ako may kinalas, ako may dool.
Sir, mura kag kuandang. Sunflower. Circle kayo ba? Yeah, yellow.
Tumbok lagi kay ko day.
Sunflower. Kaya kita angle ba? Maglalis pa una. Ando, tas golden hour. Oh. With the sun. Tay, love heart dito. Oh. Drone lagi. Mountains are calling. Guys, someone is flying their drone.
Picture me boy. Magduyan mi duha lang ka.
One day, I'm gonna buy a drone and hayagag na nga. Asa?
Gay anak ko no day. Ito ka na bitang mag-picture ka, edit niya. Ikaw ra gud usa diha niya, pero naa mga tumatulo mo saan na boy.
Ha?
Kana bang naidot ko an diri si Buna niya, nasa siya diri.
Dapat kuan man na kanang naka-tripod ba di jud malihok ang kuan.
1 2 3.
Ah. Tawa.
Ate kuan. Grabe ang grumi. Oo, day ka.
Scam na dito pun pahamak.
Kuya mo good picture ka good kay nanang. Selfie daw ko bi.
Wow.
kabugtuon man ang duyan.
Wait, boy, awat ay ama.
Ni bago ngani.
Okay guys, muna yung view karon. And the sun set. The sun is about to set.
Ay doyan mo doyan.
Bumirang boy. Ay ko boy, ihapon sa makuha na akong lubot.
Sa oras. Still 5:45 and the sun is still about to set. Look at that view. Okay. Ah! Mas bugat si Kawon.
Oh, bukan tadi si Anje.
Ay buot. Wajib buot. Wajib buot. Buko. Kasi magtinood.
Okay na lagi ta.
So this is one of their cottages and there's a table, chairs, couch, and there's a hammock with this view. Look at that. Paspas kayong oras, no? Asa na? Ang lalis sa no? Sa mukha. Guys, they have cottages also over there and there for rent. So guys, we are now leaving Evo Camp. Guys, look at this sun. Wow. Wow. Amazing.
Mugani, yung baguan, ligo sa kuday. Ligo daan.
Kadungan na kita kabo.
Guys, these are their tables. Imagine that view in the morning, having your coffee. Wow. So there's the restaurant with a TV. Let's go. Bye guys.